Oh, wait. Hello, Cameron. Have a nice day. I don't know.
Hey Cameron, we hope you feel better. You can get through this. You're strong.
I love you.
Alright. Hi Cameron, Merry Christmas. We love you. Take care. Stay strong. Get better. You know, always keep your head up high. Praise the Lord Jesus. Alright?
I want it to be perfect.
No,
You ready?
Go. Okay, go. Hi Cam.
Hey, boo. Go first.
We just want to say that we love you and we're thinking about you and we know that you're going to be really strong.
And you're gonna be really
I love
strong.
you, Cameron.
And you're gonna get through this.
And we can't wait to dance with you
And
again.
stand next to me, and I'm gonna mess up the whole time, and you're gonna smile. Love you, Cameron.
Hi, Cameron.
Hi Cam, sorry to hear the bad news. I'm praying for you and your family as well, but I'll know you'll pull through it. You're amazing and we hope to be dancing with you soon.
Hi, Cameron. We're thinking of you. And we miss you at practice, so we just wish you the best.
Get well soon, Cameron. We're all praying for you. Be strong. You can do this, Cam.
Hi Cameron, hope you're doing well. Just want to let you know that we're all thinking about you, and you know, you got a great support system there with your mom and dad and brother. I'm sure with you, making sure you're okay, and you got your family here at the studio, all your hula sisters who are thinking about you. Got your spot waiting for you, so when you get better, you can get back out on the dance floor. We're looking forward to seeing you, and we wish you the best, a quick recovery, and God bless you. Love you.
Hey Cam, I wish you a very speedy recovery.
Hi Cam, we miss you so much and we hope that you are kicking some serious butt and we hope you get your butt back here as soon as possible.
No, Cameron, I love you again.
Hi, Cam. It's me. I heard about what happened, and I know you will get through it because you are a strong, beautiful person. And I just hope that everything in here goes up, and we're keeping a positive attitude for you and your family, and we're keeping all of you in your prayers, all of you in our prayers. So hope you get better soon, and we will see you during next time.
Get well soon, Cameron.
Hey Cameron, just wanted to say we love you and miss you. Sending you positive thoughts and prayers your way. Stay strong. Get well soon.
Hey Cameron, Merry Christmas. And stay strong. You're awesome. Hey Cameron, happy holidays. We miss you. Stay strong.
Happy holidays, Cameron. Stay strong. We all love you here. We all miss you at the studio. So, go ahead, girl.
Cameron, we're all thinking about you.
Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there. Cameron, is it? I hear you're not feeling well, and that sucks. You know what else sucks? Cancer sucks. But you know what doesn't suck? You, Cameron, you don't suck. You are awesome, and you're gonna beat this thing, and you're gonna be back in the studio in no time. We love you, and we miss you, and we wish you well. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you very, very soon. Love you, doll.
I have
Hi Cameron. We love you and we miss you.
Yes.
Hi. Something to say. Look at the colors.
Hi, Cameron. I hope you're doing okay. Just wanted to let you know that we're thinking about you. We're praying for you. We miss you. We miss seeing you dancing, and know that we're all here supporting you, we're all here thinking about you every single day. Sorry. Can you say hi to Cameron? No? She wants to see your cupcake? No? Okay. But just wanted to let you and your family know that we love you guys. And we're here for you. Anything you need, please feel free to come and talk to us, email us, call us. And just know that we are here, we love you, and are wishing nothing but the best. We know that you can get through this, okay?
Hi Cameron, just wanted to offer my best wishes. And we will see you very soon.
You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Okay.
Your
1, 2, 3.
Hi, Cameron! Merry Christmas! We love you!
everything.
Hi, Cameron. Hi, Cam. Hey, Cam. So, I hope you get better, and I hope your recovery is really speedy. And I remember, well, class just doesn't feel the same with you. And I remember for every single teaching you said, you'd be standing right there next to me. And I don't know, just thinking about you not being here, the best right now. Really makes me sad, and yeah, I miss you. I miss you a lot in class. It's like really different, especially without Amy, and now without you, and I really miss you. And I hope your recovery is like really fast, because I want to miss you as soon as possible, and I hope we can hang out wherever we can do. I love you. Hi, Cam. It's hard knowing that you're not even here at the studio, even though I don't get to see you that much anyway. Start with, and just knowing you're not even here at all. It really hurts. And I know you're strong, and we're here beside you. You know, we're with you every step of the way. You know, together, you know, we're gonna get through this. You know, with Selena, with everyone else, and you know it's hard, but you know you can talk to us. And we're always here for you, and we miss you so much here. We'll definitely try and visit you as soon as possible, you know, once we're able to go. I know I was sick, you saw that really ugly video, and, you know, these guys, but, you know, we'll find the time, and definitely have sleepovers no matter what, and you can push through this, and, you know, we love you, Cam, so much, and always know that, you know, we're here for you, and that, you know, we know you're in pain, or we're gonna look at your going towards us feeling the same as you, probably not as much, but we feel it here, everyone does, everyone at the studio. We hope this video brings you a little happiness and laughter back into your life, and you know that everyone here is thinking of you.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.